Come with us to the farmer's market. Happy Sunday. Boki, you waited by the door? Your pretty dress? Raymond's ready. Let's go. Allergy season on 100. Is it me or allergies are horrible this year? Let me know. Let's go. Boki always gets her own.
Q37. Please exit through the rear door.
What the fuck is that noise? Okay, let's go. Now make a right. Yeah. Stand. Yeah, $13 motherfucking dollars. Yeah. Hey, good job. Then we have Mullica, which is a sheep and cow blends. Ooh. This one. This is our favorite. Hold the bogey. Lockdown. Go, girlie. Ooh. Where you going, Bogey?